good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to Dita-Channel. Today, I'd like to tell about how to use simple present in English. Okay, so let's take it out. Well, we can use present simple in English for facts or things that always happen. So let's say water boils at 100 degrees Celsius. Okay, that's number one. And then the second, routines and habits. Okay, the birds return to the island every spring. And the third, okay, this is the third, timetable events. Timetable events. So I have the example. The drama club meets every Thursday at 7:30. And then the last, plots of films. Okay, stories and plays. You can use simple present. For example, at the party, Romeo sees Juliet and falls in love with her. Okay, so that's all the usage of simple present. Hopefully that you can learn from this video. If you like this video or you think that it's useful for you, you can subscribe, like, and share to your friends. Thank you and bye-bye.